Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I will show you how to make crispy and cheesy noodles chicken snacks. A perfect party treat that can be frozen and fried anytime. Start by boil some water. Add 75 grams of spaghetti or noodles. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Strain the boiled noodles. Wash and keep aside. Always wash boiled pasta in cold water to prevent sticking. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons butter. Add 3 tablespoons onion, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for 30 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons flour. Roast for 1 minute. Pour half cup milk and half cup water. Cook until thicken. Season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon oregano. Add 3 tablespoon green capsicum. One cup boiled shredded chicken. Add boiled spaghetti and half cup mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle half teaspoon black pepper powder. Chicken is one of the most widely consumed proteins worldwide. Mozzarella melts perfectly, making snacks extra gooey. Cook until it leaves the pan. Now grease a glass mold. Pour the mixture. Spread oil. And cool completely. Transfer to a board. And cut into pieces. Cooling before cutting ensure perfect snack shapes. Now beat 1 egg. Dip each piece in beaten egg. Coat with breadcrumb. Breadcrumbs coating helps lock in flavor and crunch. You can freeze in a Ziploc bag for up to 1 month, or you can fry instantly. Fry in medium heated oil until golden and crispy. Use medium heat to fry for even crispiness. Chicken is high in protein and keeps you energized. Capsicum adds vitamin C and antioxidants. Using homemade breadcrumbs keep it chemical free. Control frying oil temperature, avoid excess oil absorption. Your crispy and cheesy noodles chicken snacks are ready, perfect for kids, parties, or tea time cravings. Would you like to see more freezer-friendly snacks recipes on Innovent Foods? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.